Introducing the 2025 Cupra Tavascan Endurance with 286 horsepower, electric fuel type and automatic transmission. This stunning estate Jeep in blue is the epitome of luxury and performance. Packed with features like air conditioning, satellite navigation and wireless charging, this vehicle is truly ahead of its time. Safety is a top priority with systems like collision avoidance braking, lane departure warning and multiple airbags. And with styling details like the Illuminated logo and privacy glass, you'll turn heads wherever you go. Buy with confidence, knowing that this vehicle has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check, comes with a comprehensive warranty, and is serviced to manufacturer specification. Visit spiritmotorgroup.ie for more information or call us today.